Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be breaking down Fubo and a trade I took on Fubo and the reason behind my trade and my overall plan and what I essentially wanted to see happen in Fubo. So before we break down Fubo, let's quickly take a look at the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq, right? I was watching the Nasdaq, right, and we kept seeing heavy rejection in the Nasdaq around these levels. So the Nasdaq kept rejecting around this level. So the Nasdaq has been rejecting for the past like 2-3 weeks straight, and kept seeing some rejections here. So I was looking at Nasdaq like yesterday night, overnight. So it kept rejecting, and I was watching it. I actually wanted to see it break out of this little resistance, but fortunately there was not any breakout. So and we saw a big flush today in the Nasdaq and probably most tech stocks. So let's jump into Fubo. So firstly, we see Fubo on a big downtrend, right, for the past like 2 months. So Fubo has been a downtrend for the past 2 months, and I was watching this right here after this beautiful wedge here with the continuation of this downtrend. I was watching this at the consolidation here, anticipating the breakdown, but patience was the key in this trade because I took a trade. Let me dive into the 1 hour real quick. So I took a trade around here. I think it was about last week, but I got stopped out. I was looking for the breakdown, right? So I got picked out around here. This thing moved back. I could have probably gotten in around here for a safer bet. But I was actually waiting to see what the market will do. If the market wants to keep pushing up or if the market will reject certain levels. So we got a rejection today. Right, so Fubo has been downtrending. We know that, and I saw this beautiful wedge right here. This was just bread and butter trading, right? A bread and butter trading. Beautiful wedge and a consolidation right below the wedge, just right there. And I was watching this for the breakout or the breakdown. So we got a breakdown today, right? So my trade was right around here when I saw Fubo. Fubo kept rejecting, right? So let me dive into the 5 minutes. So if you see the 5 minute right here, Fubo kept rejecting heavily, but not with lots of volume, but you kept seeing some rejections. Every time Fubo tries to go up, slam back down, tries to go up, comes back down. So right here, I took a trade, put my stop just right above here, just in case this thing wants to keep going up, and I get stopped out and fine. I'm okay taking the hit. But fortunately, this thing went according to plan, and the market drove Fubo down heavily. And if you can see, there was literally just every bounce just kept getting taken down, and it was a very, very, very good trade for me. My entries were right here, added some more at the pops, and I just wanted to see the flows, and that was exactly what happened. So what do I think, or what do I want to see from Fubo right now? So I expect Fubo to keep selling off probably into 26 or $25 levels, because there is certainly a heavy supply around this level. So around this level, we'll probably see some buying pressure coming very, very soon. That would probably also, you could see help from the market, especially if the market bounces overnight, and Fubo could probably gap up a little bit tomorrow morning. But I'm still holding some of my shares short, and it was also a beautiful breakdown here. We kept seeing Fubo bounce from here. I kept seeing the bounce here, rejecting here, rejecting here, rejecting here. As soon as we break below it, I just wanted to see the break below pre-market low. We got the break below pre-market low, and we got the break below pre-market low here and bounced up, and I just want to see the break of low of the day, and we got that, and it was just a picture perfect trade right here. That's it for today. Thank you. Make sure you please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.